In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets on Freshdesk. Merging tickets can be a crucial process in customer support, allowing you to streamline conversations and keep your dashboard tidy and efficient. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you need to navigate to the Freshdesk website. Once there, look for the login section. You'll see a field asking for your email address. Go ahead and type that in. Then click on the Continue button to move forward. This will bring you closer to accessing your dashboard, where all the magic happens. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to focus on the tickets themselves. On your dashboard, there should be a section or tab labeled Tickets. Click on it to view all the current tickets that have been filed or are in progress. Now, identifying the tickets you want to merge is key. Look through your list of tickets and check the boxes next to the ones that are related and you wish to merge. It could be that these tickets are from the same customer or pertain to the same issue. Selecting them is the first step in consolidating the information and responses. With the desired ticket selected, the next step is to initiate the merge. To do this, you should see an option or button labeled Merge. It's usually visible at the top or bottom of your ticket list, depending on the layout of Freshdesk's interface. Click on this to start the merge process. After clicking Merge, you'll typically be prompted with a confirmation or continuation message. Here you'll need to click Continue to confirm that you do indeed want to merge the selected tickets. This step is crucial as it ensures that you don't accidentally merge tickets without a final review. Finally, to complete the merge, you'll need to click on Merge once more. This final click signifies your confirmation and initiates the process to combine the tickets into a single ticket thread. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're merging the correct tickets. And that's it. You've successfully merged tickets on Freshdesk. This process not only helps in organizing your dashboard, but also ensures that communication with customers is streamlined, providing a more coherent support experience. Remember, the key to an efficient help desk is organization, and by merging tickets when appropriate, you're taking a big step towards achieving that. Remember, every step in this process is about making sure you're combining the right information for a smoother support experience, both for you and your customers. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough, and I hope it helps you manage your tickets more effectively on Freshdesk.